Hi YouTube, welcome back to Wtf Rc Cars. So, you may have noticed I've been enjoying racing the Tamiya TT02 touring car. So I thought, let's try something a bit more to opposite end at scale. So we've started with a TT02 and now we have the Ruddog IRIS ONE. And this is a brand new touring car that's just been released. So, let's have a look what we get in box. And first thing you'll notice is, my god, this box is tiny. But on opening it, I have yet to see an RC packaged like this. So all the separate build parts are all bagged up individually, and there is a hell of a lot of really expensive carbon and aluminium parts in here. All the turnbuckles, all anodized alloy. It's a 3-belt drive system, so we've got the belts, pulleys and everything. You do get an extremely high quality keyring, and it does look like Asus Republica Gamers logo, which if anybody's been following the channel for a while, you know I like my gaming PCs and I do like the Asus stuff. But we've got a few plastic tree parts, so obviously the end of the turnbuckles and body mount system. And we've got some either plastic or composite diff gears. The drive shafts are all metal, and I believe the drive shafts on these use bearings on the ends of the dog bones as well. So more carbon parts. I've got a few more parts that will look like spacers maybe. One foam bumper. More aluminium parts. We've got some A-arms, looks like. And I believe it uses the same arms all the way around. More turnbuckle ends. And I believe these little parts are for the springs, because it uses a torsion bar spring design. Another set of A-arms. A few more plastic parts. We've got a full set of bearings, which you would expect on this kind of RC. We've got the differentials. We've got an absolutely stunning looking chassis, and for me I'm going for indoor, so aluminium chassis on this one. You get a bunch of really high quality stickers, and you also get a box with all your screws to assemble it. Really nice to see that you get this with it. The kit also comes with its instruction book. You get a setup sheet that you can mark off. You get the obligatory advertising for the speed controller, motor, their battery and servo. Batteries I've already got. The servo tend to use Wtf Rc, but I am going to try one of their speed controllers and motors just to see something a bit of a change from the hobby wing that we usually go with. And the instruction manual, so we do get QR codes to download the manual, videos and your setup sheet that it'll ask you to refer to as you build this. But as we go through the manual, really nice glossy manual, looks quite easy to follow. Everything's sort of set out the way you'd expect it. They are a bit dark, these pictures, but on mine you can see them. And you can download the instruction manual. So if you want it on a screen, you've got it. Very interesting suspension setup on this. See if I can quickly find it here. So these are the dampers, and then you've got torsion bar springs. So looking really forward to building this one. There you have it. Can actually get it back in box. So that's just a very quick first look at the IRIS ONE from Ruddog. It's a touring car. You do not get the pinion, spur, any oils, wheels, tyres or body shell with them. They are expensive, but as you've seen, they've got some really, really nice bits. So hopefully it's going to drive well. But thanks again for watching Wtf Rc Cars. If you like this kind of content, don't forget to like and subscribe, hit the notification bell, share to friends and family. I'll catch you guys again in the next one.